Hey everybody, I wanted to show you the estimation sort that you have assigned in your Monday folder to do today in math. When you're looking at this estimation sort, place each expression in the correct category. Items that have a sum that's less than 5 will go in this first column. Expressions that have a sum that's close to 7 will go in the middle column. And then expressions that have a sum greater than 9 will go in the third column. Now notice, and I really want to emphasize that when you're estimating, you do not have to calculate an exact answer. Instead, you can either round the numbers to the nearest whole and then add them, or you can use compatible numbers if that's easier for you. For this activity, I would say probably rounding to the nearest whole number will be easier. So like, for example, if you look at this first expression, 7 5/10 will round to 8. 4 6/10 will round to 5. And 8 plus 5 is 13. So this item should go in the greater than 9 category. Let's look at this one. 1 8/10, this is the expression I'm looking at here. 1 8/10 will round to 2. And then we can just leave 2 alone. 2 plus 2 is 4, so that will go in the less than 5 column. Let's find one that we can estimate to be close to 7. I would put maybe this one. This one looks like 3 1/10. That will round to 3. 4 2/10 will round to 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So that would go in this middle column. Okay, and I did that all mentally. I didn't have to write anything down. Some of you may find it easier, and I'm perfectly okay, if you want to add another slide to your sort, you can add a blank slide and use that to kind of show some of your thinking. Like if you did, let's see, I can copy this by pressing Control C, and then come down here and press Control V. And then I can record 7.5, that rounds to 8, plus 4 6/10 rounds to 5, and 8 plus 5 equals 13. So that would be one way of showing your thinking here if you wanted to do that. Or you can do it mentally if that's, for this one, it's up to you. Google Slides doesn't really have an easy to use pen tool, I don't think. I guess you could do this, 8. The only thing about this is that then you have to keep clicking the scribble tool every time you finish a part of your picture, and that's not really very efficient. I would think this would be frustrating. Whoops, 8 plus 13 is not right anyway. I would have to do 8 plus 5. There we go. Okay, so either way, you can record your thinking on a second slide or simply sort each expression to where it needs to be. Hope this helps, guys.